finally, after a lot of months, it's time to go on another thrift store adventure right here. And I'm so happy. So of course I'm taking you with me, so let's go. So this is all made from glass. And I think it's so pretty. How much is it? It is $7.50. So I really like these, but I don't need them. 75 euro cents. And this one is €2.50. I really love these colors. They are so cheap. Look how big this is. It just fits in the camera. Eh. At these little chains. I think there's something missing here. Then he was, oh, it was through the hole. I think these went through the hole, and then he was really holding the horses. This is so fun. Is there a price? €5. And except for the chains not going through the hole, it's a mint edition. Not my aesthetics, but so true. Always look for the key. And a lot of times there are fun stuff in here. €7.50. I guess it's for hamburgers, but I don't know for sure. So here are all kind of Frisian sports, and this is the one my family does. Squishy see them. Fun. Rappen, wieljeppen, keertsen, and we have coffee with a cookie. This takes me back to Cartoon Network. Johnny Bravo! This is actually just a big towel. Wow. €12.50. It's beautiful. I am so excited to show you my haul. I have so many things and so many good things. So the first thing, oh, this is a good one. Ooh. Nothing has broken off. It is so big and nothing has broken off. I don't get it. I am so happy with this one. So only €3.75, and I know for sure this is worth a lot more than that. Next one is this, and I am not really a fan of the drawing stuff on top, but I have a fun DIY idea with this. And for that, it's perfect. Only $1.25. See? Oh. A long little basket for 40€. And I want to make some kind of boho mirror with this one. And that will be on my channel soon. So this is perfect for that project. Last thing in this bag are 2 Disney mugs. I am a big fan of Disney and of collecting Disney mugs. So there's a big chance you saw me making a cup of coffee in a Disney mug. Where is the price? Here. 20 euro cents. And I think it's also an old one. Don't know for sure. But now I have 2 new ones in my collection. Time for the second bag with goodies. These. And what is this? Oh, these are handbag handles. Bamboo ones. But I thought it would be pretty awesome to use this for a DIY, of course DIY. So you can use it on a tray or something. And I just thought they were so pretty. And 75 euro cents. Next thing in here. Mickey. I have this Mickey already, but it's in the living room and I have all of his friends in the study. So now I have another one that I can put with the others. So next up, oh yeah, a lot of mirrors, and officially I think they're coasters. So they were only €1 and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So perfect to have for my DIY stash. More mirrors. These are little round ones. It was 20 euro cents and also 20 euro cents. So for these I already have a very good idea what I'm going to do with them. So a pretty good and cheap find. Now I think the last one is this. So these are reed placemats, and of course I am going to use this for DIY. I don't know what kind of DIY yet, but for 50 euro cents I just had to take it with me. So for all of this stuff, 2 bags full, I paid, let me see, €9.95. So almost 10 euro. And that's a lot of stuff for almost 10 euro. Thank you guys so much for coming on this thrift store adventure with me. I am really so happy that after months I finally could go again. So thank you, and if you liked it, please push the like button. And you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. A lot of months. It's time. Oh, it's so close. No, yeah. So I found these square, 8 shapes. So a lot.